Any plans this weekend?
No.
No. How's work going?
It's good. Same. What about you?
Just working
Yeah.
for the weekend. And work is going good. I'm gonna start a new service. I'm gonna do skin lightening.
Oh,
So I purchased everything. Should be here next week.
like for dark spots or
Mm-hmm. Dark
scars?
spots, hyperpigmentation.
Mm,
Anywhere on the body, Brazilian,
that's
underarms, your anus.
cool. How do you do it?
This is like a 5-step process that I bought from a company.
Mm,
And they use like all natural ingredients, so it's not super harsh on the skin.
mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I was nervous about messing with someone's skin like that. But this company, I've been researching them for a few months now, and talking to people that use them.
That's cool. Is it like a machine or?
It's just products you use, and then you do use like one tool as well.
That's cool.
Yeah. How's online dating life?
Oh my god. I haven't been doing it that much lately. Cause like after a while, like once I meet like some people and I kind of get like let down, you know, I'll like for a while I'll be like, I don't want to go in here. Like I need a break. So I haven't been doing it that much lately. Have you heard of brow lamination? I did that.
Is that what's going on with your brows?
Naja did it on me. But it was like, shit. It was a while ago. Like, at least, like 4 weeks ago, maybe? Yeah, it's been a while.
So I thought
But
about offering
if
that,
they look
but
different, then that's why. It's probably almost gone now because she said it lasts like between 4 and 6 weeks.
Okay.
But it was about like 4 weeks ago.
Okay. Because they don't look as full.
What do you mean?
Like when they
Well, it makes
lay
them
down,
like it makes them go
stand
up. Yeah, it's kind of like
so when they lay down, they look fuller. But
yeah, because they're
when I was
going
doing it,
up
I'm
a
like,
little.
what is going on here?
Yeah, I don't like tweeze them or anything at home. So
Okay.
in between, I just leave it. But that would be why, because it does
I
make them
feel
like
like-
stick up.
Like your brows are kind of sparse now. Like there's some missing right here, very little, and right here. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the other video that I did last time, waxing your brows.
Yeah. But it does, like, it literally makes the hairs, like, go up like that.
Did you like it? Because I was myself, and there's another person that I think
I was-
about doing it.
Yeah, so I actually liked it at first. It was a dramatic change. I was like, whoa. Like, I was, like, shook.
Did you guys do before and afters?
No.
Oh.
At first I didn't know if I liked it because I was like, oh my god. Because they were, like, going up. But then after, like, a couple hours, they relaxed a little bit. And then I did actually like it.
Okay.
But I would say also for me because, I mean, my brows are, like, a little bit thinner now. But still, I feel like they're pretty full with hair. So it was, like, pretty, like, obvious on me. And, like, she had done it on herself. And I, like, noticed that they looked different. But it wasn't as dramatic as mine because I think she has less hair than me.
I should have her do it on me to see if
But
I
I
like it, because
mean-
I'm really debating.
Yeah, you
on
should try
doing
it and see, like, if you like it. But, I mean, I think it's, like, it's nice. It kind of adds, like, a little, you know, it, like, makes them stand out more, I guess. Gives them, like, a little shape, more shape, too, I feel like. Yeah. I don't know that it would be something that I would do regularly. But, I mean, I liked it. But I wasn't, like, feeling like I need it all the time. I don't know if that's also because, like, I have lashes. Because I feel like maybe that's why, but I don't know. But I did. It's pretty cool. I'd never heard of it before.
Oh, it's like all over right now.
Oh,
Like I get pop-ups all the time on Instagram.
really? I've never
Yeah.
seen it online. Yeah, like she was like showing me videos of it because I was like, what is that? I have never heard of that. I've never seen it.
I did reach out to a company about it.
She got hers, the like kit thing, from Lash Affair.
Oh, that's the company that I reached out to because they do. Because I didn't told you. I think I want to do the eyelash lift, and they have the solution for the eyelash lift and for that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where she got the kit from for that too.
But I'm debating on doing both of those now. I'm gonna start out with doing the skin lightening. We'll see if we'll add on more services a little later.
I mean, even if you had like those other two things, the lash lift and the brow lamination, like maybe you wouldn't do it all the time, but it's still like an option, you know?
Yeah.
Which I feel like is kind of good because I even have people that ask me if I do lash lift. I'm like, nope. Honestly, I don't want to do it, but people do ask. So I feel like if you could just say yes and do it here and there, like that's fine.
Yeah, that's true. you feel like it changed the texture of your brows?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It made them. It made them like hard.
Yeah.
Like I know that sounds weird, but like it made the hair like, I don't know, hard, like firm. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It made them different.
It feels like you have coarse hair.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it feels like. It's not as coarse. It's not as what it used to be though. Like when she first did it,
Mm-hmm.
like the first week they were like stiff. I was like, whoa, because they're like sticking up.
Mm-hmm.
But then it did relax, and it wasn't like so much. But it's still like that a little bit. But I think that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't know anything about that. But I think maybe it's supposed to be like that.
Mm-hmm. It makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.